Chloroquine. What is chloroquine? Chloroquine is a medication primarily used to prevent and treat malaria. Chloroquine is also occasionally used for MBSs that is occurring outside the intestines, rheumatoid arthritis, and lumps erythematosus. It appears safe. It is also being studied to treat COVID-19 as 2020. Chloroquine phosphate is another name of this drug. And then mode of action of chloroquine or mechanism of action of this drug. Chloroquine inhibits the formation of hemozoin from the heme released by the digestion of hemoglobin. Heme is detoxified in the food vacuoles via biocrystallization process in which the heme is sequestered into large insoluble crystals called hemozoin or the malarial pigment. Another mode of action of this drug. Chloroquine accumulate in the food vacuoles of the parasite. This accumulation may involve ion trapping following protonation, specific transport and binding to a receptor, example heme. The major action of chloroquine is to inhibit the formation of hemozoin from the heme released by the digestion of hemoglobin. The free heme then lyses membrane and leads to parasite death. This is the total mode of action of this drug for the malarial parasite. Extra activity of this drug. Chloroquine increases endosomal and lysosomal pH, resulting in impaired release of the virus from the endosome or lysosome. Release of the virus require a low pH. The virus is therefore unable to release its genetic material into the cell and replicate. Overdose of this drug. In overdose has a risk of death of about 20%. And second is sleepiness. Third one is vision change. Fourth one is seizures. Fifth one is stopping of breathing and heart problems such as low blood pressure and low blood potassium. ADME, pharmacology of this drug. Absorption of this drug is rapid in gut, distributes in body tissue. Metabolism is partially hepatic or kidney. Excretion is more than 50% as unchanged drug in urine, where acidification of urine increases its elimination. It is the IDME of this drug. And side effects of chloroquine: blurred vision, nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps, headache, diarrhea, swelling legs, ankles, shortness of breath, pale lips, nail, skin, and muscle weakness of the side effect of this drug. Another side effect of this drug: mental mood change such as confusion, skin itchiness, skin color change, hair loss, and skin rashes. And in the last note of this video, there is limited evidence to support the use of chloroquine in COVID-19 coronavirus. Chloroquine has been approved by the Chinese and South Korean and Italian health authority for the only experimental treatment of COVID-19 coronavirus treatment. And FDA authorized the use of hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine under an emergency use authorization EUA. The treatment has not been approved by FDA. Thanks for watching this video.